Yeah, an example of when our contract manufacturing division was able to identify and resolve a critical customer quality problem is for a contract manufacturing customer who had a feature on their drawing that was not labeled to have a left or a right-hand side. When we shipped our partial first order, the customer quickly responded to us that we had actually manufactured that part in the wrong direction. As a result, we were able to halt all production internally, revise the part, revise the print, and ship the remaining 90% of the order conforming to the customer's requirements. Without a system in place, you'd be left with confusion about where their product actually was, how much was on site, how much had been shipped to the customer. You would be left with confusion about, even if you did catch some of it internally, how much of it has been fixed, how much of it remains to be fixed. So our quality system was able to stop the product as it was going through the work centers and freeze it in place, tag it, segregate it from any conforming products, revise the print and catch it up to where the product was in process, and then ensure that even though the original drawing did not indicate a left or a right hand side, that the revised drawing did, and we were able to inspect it based on the revised drawing and ensure the customer got what they actually needed as opposed to the drawing we were provided.